Picture this. You're managing 20 plus WordPress sites for clients and critical plugin vulnerability drops. You need to update every single site fast, and your workflow is as follows: logging into each one individually, checking what needs updating, applying changes, hoping nothing breaks, moving to the next. If that sounds painfully familiar, this video is for you. Cloudways just launched something called Site Manager for WordPress, and it is basically a full command center for everyone who manages WordPress at scale. Let me show you what it actually does. Site Manager is a new add-on inside the Cloudways platform, currently available in public preview. It's the evolution, really the replacement of their old stack SafeUpdates feature. If you've used SafeUpdates, you know it did one thing really well: keeping WordPress sites safe during updates. But as more agencies and developers started managing bigger portfolios, SafeUpdates start showing its age. No centralized view, no bulk operations, no performance monitoring. You basically had to manage each site one by one. Site Manager fixes all of that. Same safety principles, completely rebuilt for multi-site workflows. Let me be specific about the problems, because they are real. SafeUpdates had no centralized dashboard. Every operation happened in the individual application level. If you had 30 sites, that meant 30 separate replaces to check. Updates could only run on a weekly schedule for agencies with tiered client plans, some clients on daily maintenance, others monthly. That one-size-fits-all cadence just didn't work. Visual regression testing was limited to desktop only and capped at 3 pages per site. That's not enough coverage to feel confident before pushing live on a busy WooCommerce store. And the activity logs stored in the WordPress database itself, which gets bloated, slows things down, and is easy to miss if you're troubleshooting something for 2 weeks ago. These were not minor inconveniences. For agencies, they were real operation friction every single day. So, what does Site Manager actually give you? The centerpiece is a unified dashboard. Every WordPress application on Cloudways visible in one place. You can see which sites have pending core updates, which plugins are out of date, which sites need immediate attention, all at a glance. You can filter by update type, sort by status, and get a full picture of your entire portfolio in seconds. For anyone who's been bouncing between 20 browser tabs just to check update statuses, this one is a meaningful shift. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Site Manager introduces 2 update modes: quick and safe. Quick operations are exactly what they sound like. You apply the update directly to the production. Caches get cleared automatically across layers, including Breeze, Redis, and even Cloudflare. And you're done. Best for low-risk changes, minor version bumps, simple brochure sites. Safe operations are for when you can't afford a mistake, when you're updating WooCommerce, when it's major version jump, when the client site is generating revenue and downtime costs money. Here's how Safe Mode works. It spins up a full staging environment, applies the update there first, runs visual regression tests on up to 5 pages that you define. That's up from 3 in SafeUpdates, and only pushes to production if everything passes. If something looks wrong, your live site stays untouched. And all of this can be done in bulk. Select 20 sites, apply the same updates across all of them, choose quick or safe per operation. Done. Something SafeUpdates never had: built-in performance monitoring. Site Manager tracks page speed insights score for every connected site, updated daily. Core Web Vitals too: largest contentful paint, cumulative layout shift, first input delay, all surface directly inside the platform. No more switching to external tools just to check if a client site is still hitting the 90 plus PSI threshold. It's all right there in the same dashboard. For agencies that include performance SLAs in their care plans, this is genuinely useful addition. Activity logs are now stored outside the WordPress database, so they don't bloat your site. They can't be tampered with, and they go back 90 days. Every plugin update, every user change, every action with a timestamp and an IP address. Clean, auditable, and useful. On pricing, there are two tiers. The basic plan is free. That gives you the centralized dashboard, quick operations, plugin and theme management, and user management without needing to touch WordPress admin. The Pro plan, which unlocks the safe operations, visual regression testing, performance monitoring, and activity logs, is priced the same as SafeUpdates was. And during the public preview period, you get full Pro access at no charge. If you're managing a handful of WordPress sites solo, the free tier is probably plenty for now. But if you're running an agency, managing 20, 50, 100 client sites, site managers on Cloudways is worth getting your hands on during the preview window, especially while Pro features are free. The link in the description gets you 25% off Cloudways. Use the promo code there as well. Drop a like if this was helpful. It genuinely makes a difference. And I'll see you in the next one.